Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another Gala Games price prediction update, which at the time of this recording is trying to battle out with the 20-day MA here on the 1 hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. We have also managed to hold above our key area of resistance at around the $0.04336 mark, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2, and all this is a move that played out after we fully peaked in the formation of a first wave, in a move that gave us a high at around the $0.04267 mark. And having seen the formation of that first wave and a corrective structure in this wave 2, I now believe that the move that gave us a high at around the $0.05 mark is the formation of that wave 3, and this is a move that has also fully maximized our minimum target areas in the formation of that wave 3 that I gave you in my previous videos, by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. And you can see that we have fully maximized our minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.04961 mark. And after fully maximizing that target area, you can see that yesterday we had a massive dump to the lower side in what I'm terming as the formation of this wave 4, which is what we expect after seeing the formation of this wave 3. Connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the second wave down there to the high of that wave 3, that gave me a minimum retracement area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.618, which is a target area that we have fully maximized and continue to hold within. And there are high chances that we have now bottomed out in the formation of this wave 4, and whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of a massive pump to the upside in the formation of this wave 5. And this is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios here on the Gala Games chart. And before I give you my target areas in the formation of that wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And giving you target areas to the upside in the formation of this wave 5, which is now my primary scenario here on the Gala Games chart, using the trend-based Fibonacci once more, connecting it from the low of the first wave down there to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of that wave 3. That now gives me a target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 5, having my first target area at the fib level 0.618, and that is at around the $0.05396 mark, and that is the minimum that I'll be expecting Gala Games to do in the formation of this wave 5. And for that move to also play out, there are key moves that we need to keep our eyes on here on the charts. And the first one is a break above the 20-day MA, both on the 1 hour chart and also on the 4 hour chart, so that they can continue acting as support for us to continue gearing up and continue unlocking higher prices. We also need to continue holding within our support area at around the $0.04336 mark. And as long as we are holding above it, there are high chances that we are going to continue unlocking higher prices and also see a break above the wave 1 high at around the $0.05 mark, and a break above that, above the wave 3 high at around the $0.05 mark, and a break above that will be enough confirmation of the impulsiveness in the formation of that wave 5, and the higher chances of fully maximizing our minimum target area in the formation of that wave 5. But in case the breakdown continues here on the Gala Games chart and we lose our key area of support and also lose the wave 1 high at around the $0.04267 mark, then I think the worst case scenario for Gala Games will be playing out, where there will be high chances of fully resetting this second wave by getting back into this red target area down here, which lies at around the $0.03938 mark and the $0.03753 mark. And this move can only happen in case we lose significant areas of support over here. But as long as we are holding above them, chances are we are going to continue gearing up until we fully maximize our minimum target areas in the formation of that wave 5. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios, and also taking a look at the indicators On the RSI, we are trading at around the 44 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.